Still, these experiments are significant. They show that AI can, to an extent, mimic the style of satire, a genre that relies heavily on nuanced human observations. While the output can sometimes read as awkward or forced, it represents a stepping stone towards more fluent and accurate comedic AI creations. How has the public reacted to AI's comedic attempts? Initially, there's often a blend of amusement and skepticism. Audiences are intrigued by the novelty of AI-generated humor, but they can also be critical of its lack of depth and personal touch. After all, part of the joy of comedy comes from the human connection, something AI inherently lacks. In some cases, AI-generated jokes have gone viral, shared across social media platforms for their novelty, and sometimes for their unintentional absurdity. This viral nature sometimes overshadows the joke's content, focusing more on the fact that AI created it rather than the humor itself. Despite mixed reviews, the trend of integrating AI into comedy shows and platforms indicates a growing acceptance. People are beginning to appreciate the quirks of AI humor, even if it's just for the uniqueness of the experience. As AI continues to evolve, so too does the audience's perception and acceptance of its role in comedy. Can AI truly compete with human comedians? Currently, AI lacks the emotional depth and personal experiences that often resonate in human comedy. Human comedians draw on personal stories, societal observations, and emotional intelligence to connect with their audience, elements that AI cannot replicate with the same authenticity. However, AI does bring something unique to the table: the ability to process and generate content at an unprecedented scale. This could lead to new forms of humor, born from data-driven insights that humans might overlook. AI's contribution to comedy could be more about augmenting human creativity rather than replacing it. This collaborative future could see human comedians using AI to refine their jokes, discover new comedic angles, or even create entirely new genres of humor. The interplay between human wit and machine learning could push the boundaries of how we define and experience comedy. As AI continues to dip its circuits into the world of comedy, the question remains, will it ever truly match human wit? While AI may not replace the stand-up comedians at your local bar anytime soon, its role in reshaping and influencing the comedic landscape is undeniable. It's an exciting time for both tech enthusiasts and comedy lovers. For human comedians, the rise of AI might mean less fear of being replaced and more excitement about the new tools at their disposal. Imagine a world where AI helps sharpen punchlines or suggests the perfect callback that brings the house down. So, will robots become the comedy stars of tomorrow? Probably not. But they might just become the unsung heroes behind the laughter, proving that even in comedy, collaboration between humans and machines can lead to spectacular results. Keep laughing. The future of funnies is both human and machine,